Hey everyone, in this lecture we're going to make a brief introduction to bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and data analysis to extract meaningful insights from biological data. It holds a vital position in modern biological research, influencing genomics, proteomics, structural biology, and various other domains. Its applications have a substantial impact on significant scientific and medical progress. Let us now delve into some of the main applications of bioinformatics. First of all, in genome sequencing and annotation, bioinformatics plays a crucial role in the analysis of DNA sequences obtained through genome sequencing projects. It helps to identify genes, regulatory elements, and other features within the genome. Moreover, bioinformatics enables the comparison of genomes from different species, helping thus researchers understand evolutionary relationships and identify conserved genes and functional elements. Bioinformatics is also widely applied in phylogenetics. This is the study of the evolutionary history and relationships among individuals and groups of organisms. Another main application of bioinformatics is in proteomics. Bioinformatics is used to analyze and interpret data from high-throughput techniques such as mass spectrometry to identify and characterize proteins, study protein interactions, and understand cellular processes. And these were only some of the main applications, but we have many more. Throughout this course, we will be using Biopython. Biopython is an open source collection of Python tools and modules explicitly designed for bioinformatics and computational biology. It provides functionalities for working with biological data, including manipulating biological sequences, performing sequence analysis, and accessing various bioinformatics databases and tools. In the course, we're going to see how we can install Biopython and how we can set up our code environment. A very important aspect is that we're going to learn Biopython from scratch, and thus no prior bioinformatics knowledge is required to take this course. Very well, and with this we end this brief lecture to bioinformatics and to the course. In the following lecture, we're going to see how we can set up our code environment.